Hey guys, Marty Bostic here with a quick email update and video. I wanted to tell you about a webinar I've got coming on Thursday to promote and walk through Kevin Fahey's $1 Million Warrior product. So his launch that's coming up, he actually has a blueprint that is his success formula to his seven-figure business and how he uses Warrior Plus, and he teaches you to be an affiliate, to be a product creator as a vendor, and how to partner with other members to be able to have even bigger launches. So it's really good stuff. I just finished going through all the material, looking at it. It's a fantastic product, and I learned a ton. I learned a lot out of it, and a lot of things that I'm going to be implementing myself. I've got, I'm nowhere near where these guys are yet, but my goal is to get there. But I've got over 1,000 sales myself in the products that I've created and launched. But seeing where these guys have gotten to, like Kevin, who's got a success record, over the last 15 years or so, he's really built onto this and learned how to do it the right way, and he's got a success track to go on. So I believe in following successful people. I believe in promoting product launches and standing behind products that I see with value in them. So what I'd like to get you to do is go ahead and join the registration link. Go ahead and go over to the registration link for the webinar. That webinar is going to be happening on Thursday, the 19th. The webinar will be at 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Now, the launch for the product starts at 8 o'clock Central Time or 9 o'clock Eastern Time on Thursday. What I'd ask you to do, because I'm going to have some custom bonuses, I'm going to be going through a lot of stuff inside of here. I would ask that you attend the webinar first and look and see what all you can get access to. If you like the custom bonuses you see, you like the information I provide, and show you how to really take advantage of this platform, go ahead and get in that webinar and go through it. Spend some time with me on Thursday, ask some questions, let's go through some things and cover the bases, and you make an informed decision from there. If you want to purchase from me at that point, that's great. If you don't, that's okay too. No harm, no foul. But I would love to have you there and be able to interact with you, and let's ask some questions and try and go ahead and get everything answered up front for you so you know what you're getting into. I can tell you that being a customer of Kevin's other products, I own pretty much all of his products at this point. He's not steered me wrong on any of them, and that's the reason I'm really pushing this one. It's also the reason I'm taking the time to do a webinar on it, because I want you to be able to succeed with those products as well, and learn how to follow somebody that really knows how to make this shine and make it work for you on Warrior Plus. So go ahead, click the link for the registration of the webinar, and I will see you on the inside. You guys take care.